I'm going to show you right now how you can easily and quickly check the shutter count on your Sony camera. All you need is your camera, a computer, and the internet. And that's pretty much it. So we're diving in right now. If you don't have those things, go get them. I'll wait. Okay, that's long enough. What you need to do is first, grab your camera, take a picture with that camera. Next, grab your memory card or hook your camera up to your computer. From there, we'll dive into the computer. Let's go. So we're on our computer now, and all you need to do from here is open a browser of your choice, head up to the top and type in tools.science.si and hit enter on that. And you're gonna be brought up to this little page here, and that's all you're gonna see. It's not a huge thing, it's not a big website, it's a free tool created by Phil Harvey, who created this EXIF tool it's called, so thanks a lot for that, Phil. And you can go ahead and click on supported models to see if your camera's in there. If you're shooting something made in the last 100 years, it looks like you're in luck. And right below that, you see a button here that you can drag or click to import your file right on there. So I've got my file here, which is the last picture that I've taken with my camera. And all I'm gonna do is take that picture and just drag it over here. And just like that, I've got 18,518 exposures made up to this file. So really easily and quickly, you've just checked your shutter count on your Sony camera in what? 1 minute flat? Not bad. And why might you need to do this? Well, if you're buying a new camera, it's a great idea to check the exposures made just to kind of get an idea just how old that camera is or its usage, of course. You might just be curious, or a lot of people are kind of freaking out over some shutters on the A7 III specifically, and they might be a little bit paranoid to see where they're sitting. So for me, this is just a really quick and easy way, and now you know how to do it too. All right, so that's it. Now you know how to check the shutter count on your Sony camera. Nice and easy, quick, and I hope you liked this video, guys. If you found this helpful, if you want to see more stuff just like this and everything photography and filmmaking, well, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Like always, make mistakes, be yourself, get out there and take some more pictures. See you next time.